Are you searching for a drone camera? Then you are in right place. This video includes those types of drones that is for incredible sky-based video. The best thing about today's drone is that you don't need flying experience to get aerial footage. So today we will talk about the best drone camera which you can buy. Take a look, and if you think it is suitable for you, then go for it and make your shoots memorable. Here is the list of best drone which you can consider. The first one is DJI Air 2S. This aircraft weighs 595 grams and taking up its dimensions when folded is 180 into 97 into 77 mm. When unfolded is 183 into 253 into 77 mm. This includes length, width and height. Flight time with no wind is 31 minutes maximum. Maximum flight distance with no wind is 18.5 km. Maximum wind speed resistance is 10.7 meter per second, and operating frequency is 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz. Operating temperature range is 0 degree to 40 degrees Celsius. Aircraft arms are foldable, and talking about its GNSS is GPS plus GLONASS and Galileo, and its compass is single compass. Internal storage is 8 GB. Comes with battery capacity 3500 mAh and camera sensor is 20 MP. Video resolutions are 5.4K, 4K Ultra HD 2.7, FHD, MP4 by MOV. Remote controllers are multiple controllers, DJI Smart Controller. Battery life is 6 hours and it comes with input and output charging of voltage 13.2 volt. Second one is DJI Mini 2. Its weight is 249 grams and dimensions when folded is 138 into 81 into 58 mm and unfolded is 159 into 203 into 56 mm. Maximum flight time when there is no wind is 31 minutes. Maximum wind speed resistance is 8.5 to 10.5 meter scale. Operating temperature range is 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. Operating frequency is 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz. Aircraft arms are foldable. Battery capacity is 2250 mAh and camera sensor is 12 MP. Video resolutions are 4K Ultra HD, 2.7K FHD. Remote controller. Operating frequency is 2.400 to 2.4835 GHz. Charger. It comes with input and output charging. Rated power is 18 watt. Third one is DJI Mavic Air 2. Its weight is 570 grams and dimensions when folded is 180 into 97 into 74 mm. Unfolded is 183 into 253 into 77 mm. It includes length, width and height. Flight time when there is no wind is 34 minutes. Maximum flight distance is 18.5 km. Maximum wind speed resistance is 8.5 to 10.5 meter scale. Aircraft arms are foldable and battery capacity is 3500 mAh. Camera sensor is 12 MP and video resolutions are 4K Ultra HD, 2.7K FHD. Remote controller transmission system is OCU Sync 2.0. It supports mobile device and USB. And charger comes with input and output charging and rated power is 38 watt. Fourth one is DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Aircraft weight is 907 grams. Dimensions when folded is 214 into 91 into 84 mm. Unfolded is 322 into 242 into 84. It includes length, width and height. Flight time when there is no wind is 31 minute maximum. Maximum flight distance is 18 km. Maximum wind speed resistance is 29 to 38 km per hour and internal storage is 8 GB and aircraft arms are foldable. Battery capacity is 3850 mAh. Its camera sensor is 20 MP and video resolutions are 4K Ultra HD, 2.7K FHD. Talking about remote controller, operating frequency is 2.400 to 2.483 GHz. Supported mobile device connectors, a micro USB, Lightning, USB Type C. and operating temperature is 0 degree to 40 degrees Celsius. Charger comes with input and output charging and rated power is 60 watt. Fifth one is DJI Mavic Mini. Aircraft weight is 249 grams and dimensions when folded is 140 into 81 into 57 mm. Unfolded is 159 into 202 into 55 mm. Maximum flight time when there is no wind is 30 minutes. Maximum wind speed resistance is 8 meter per second. Operating temperature range is 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. Aircraft arms are foldable. Talking about its battery capacity is 2400 mAh. Maximum charging power is 24 watt and camera sensor is 12 MP. Video resolutions are 2.7K and FHD. Remote controller operating frequency is 2.400 to 2.483 GHz. Supported mobile device connectors Lightning, micro USB, USB Type-C. Operating temperature 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. Battery capacity is 2600 mAh. Charger comes with input and output charging and rated power is 18 watt. So guys, this was all about top 5 drones which you can buy. If you are an Indian, then you can visit website infoplace.in to know about drones laws in India. Link is given in description. You can visit from there. And friends, thanks for watching. Goodbye.